Okay, all your pain and struggle is going away, and something great things is coming up in your life. Just be passionate in your own profession, and things will be better.
ここ変えなければ全部補給式が出るでしょ。
みんなすごいやりづらい。
それは大丈夫だけど。
そんなにダメだと思う。
はい。はい、じゃあ真ん中で上陸掘りましたね。
It's amazing. You fast.
今主体でやるイベントがね、去年から。大丈夫ですね。今年は第一が5日だから。
そう、そこの金星行くの。
はい、この花です。で、柚子酢でつけます。これ大根です。
ありがとうございます。いや、ここ最高。
That's why it's so crazy to be in Japan when you see that everything is well done. Like even from the shop that's downstairs and the wood and the way the room is set up to the architecture, to the cars and to the way they do everything. It's like everything is approached with this expertise and it's like certain craftsmanship that is like I don't see that shit in Miami.